Welcome to 25 Bullecourt Avenue, Mosman, a home with plenty of style and quite a few surprises. Let's have a look. Masterfully reconfigured, extended and renovated, this impressive residence is a private oasis immersed in tropical surrounds and blissful tranquility, created with the needs of a growing family firmly in mind. Its sleek, contemporary interiors are complemented by private alfresco spaces with wide terraces, deck, inviting spa pool and level lawns for the kids. Adding to its already tremendous attraction is the near-new studio apartment, which captures filtered bay views from its deck and interiors. Offering the feel of seclusion, the home is well placed, a stroll to local shops, bus, Chinaman's Beach and Beauty Point Public School. Thanks for having a look at this wonderful home. We hope to see you soon. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.